Today, we're going to learn how you can boost a post on your Instagram account. First, go to your profile and look up any of your posts to run ads. Next, click on the Boost Post option. Now, you can choose what your audience will do after watching your ad. Let's select Visit Profile. After that, you can choose who will be your targeted audience. This step is very crucial, so select your audience wisely. You can either choose people like your followers as your target or create your own. Select your audience for best results so you can select their interests, gender, age, and even location. First, give your audience a name, then select the region you want to target. Our campaign would be for the United Kingdom and Australia. After that, insert their interest. These are like hashtags that your target audience searches for or interacts with. If it's marketing, you can add various types of it like social media marketing, business and finance marketing, content marketing, digital marketing, and much more. The suggested interests help you to identify these quickly. And lastly, choose their age. Don't go too broad and have an optimum range for a personalized target audience. Then, select the audience you named, and the last step is, of course, the budget. You can select the duration and your daily budget in this interface, or you can also choose to go until you pause it yourself. Let's select a 3-day duration, and $6 is the daily budget. Even with such a low one, you can easily get 3K-8K people to visit your profile. Hit the Boost Post button, and boom, your post is live to reach millions. Follow Yush Media for more Instagram tips.